Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this wonderful Vauxhall MokkaX Active. Now this vehicle is currently run 23,368 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Son of a Gun Grey, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And I'd like to take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have very stylish LED daytime running lights that really complement the vehicle well. They complement the lines that the vehicle has. Now around to the side, it does sit very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have mud flaps there so you can keep the body nice protected from any mud. You have your indicator there on the side and you have body coloured door mirrors. Take a look inside here at the rear. You've got lovely cloth seats with a nice pattern in the centre. You do have ISOFIX points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Now to the rear of the vehicle, you do have roof rails up top so you can add things like a roof box to increase your storage. You do have a tow bar there so you can tow a trailer, for example, if you need to tow anything at all. You do have this very nice rubber floor mat here with the Mokka badging. Keeps the boot carpet nice and protected. You do have additional storage underneath the boot floor as well. You have tethering points so you can tighten your loads down if you need to. You can easily fit a pram in there or a weekly shop. You have your MokkaX Ecotech badge in there on the boot. Now let's take a look inside at the front here. You have your leather multifunction steering wheel there, and across the dashboard you have a nice gloss grey effect which complements the exterior colour. You have your front seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And the driver's seat does come with an armrest, which is nice as you can travel comfortably in the vehicle. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. The folding allows you to quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them protected. It's very handy when parking on a narrow road, for example, as you can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. You can close them at just the flick of a switch instead of having to do it manually. You have your electric window switches there with the option for locking the rear windows. You have automatic headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road. You have your wiper stalk there. You have some controls here for making adjustments to your radio. And you have cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and you can arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. It's very straightforward to use. You do have your indicator stalk here with some controls for your trip computer. Now here in the centre you have your touchscreen infotainment system. This is the IntelliLink system. You can access DAB, FM and AM radio through this. You can easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle. You have a list of stations available to you. And with DAB you can have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love the radio you can enjoy it nice and clear. You can also connect your phone with USB and also Bluetooth as well. And of course with Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and not miss any important phone calls while on the go. You do have phone projection, which works with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, that brings your phone's interface into the vehicle. It allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and texts while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to using voice command. You can also use compatible apps such as navigation and music streaming services so you can access all of your favourite playlists. You do have dual zone climate control. It prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, allowing everyone to travel comfortably. You have front and rear parking sensors to give you added confidence when parking in tighter spaces. It makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see as well. You can turn them off using the P button there to the left. Thanks for watching this video on the Vauxhall MokkaX Active. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or a 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.